Om Tat Sat. Om, three times Omkaram, sir. Om, 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 Om Tat Sat.
Om Tat Sat.
Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha.
Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha.
Bhagavad Gita Satsanga.
Bhagavad Gita Satsanga.
Sir, so today the topic will be again to understand the God, to know the God, so that we remember the God. Bhavam, Paramatma Bhavam, that we have to develop. We have a lot of bhavas. Samsara Bhavam, Patni Bhavam, Bachon ka Bhavan, Bhavam, Putra Putri Bhavam, Money Bhavam, everything, lot of Bhavam we have got. Friendship Bhavam, job Bhavam, business Bhavam, lot of Bhavam we got. But Paramatma Bhavam we don't have. That is the only ultimate thing which will take us to liberate from this life. So, how to do that, that we'll see today. Firstly, before going to the Bhavam, that he said that there are full of secrets only. Bhagavad Gita, if you see, they are full of secrets. If you don't see, there is no secret. The secret is Dhyanena Atmani Pashan, chapter 13, 24. We are in chapter 13. Kshetra Kshetrajna Sanyoga Yogam. That is that our body, and inside us we are there. You are Kshetrajna, we are there inside the body. So, but we don't know how to know ourselves, how to pray to God. That is the thing, because God is Avyaktam. So because Avyaktam is not visible, that we don't believe. So if you don't see me, how can you believe that there is one Colonel Keshwara? If I don't see you, how do I know that there is one Mr. Raghuramanji here? We have to see physically, but God is not visible physically to anybody. So Dhyanena Atmane Pashanti Kechit Atmano Atmana Anye Sankhena Yogena Karma Yogena Cha Apare. So that means what? There are three methods of knowing the God, the soul. That is Dhyanena Atmani Pashanti Kechit Atmana. When you are there inside your home, when all works are over and when you have one time for 1 hour, 2 hours for yourself, or 15 minutes, half an hour yourself, then you sit in meditation, silent meditation, and see the wonder. Keep doing it yourself alone. We can do it samohikam also, group also. That is a second, again separate, that piousness has to be maintained. But in the home when you are alone, you can maintain, I can maintain that piousness. When I am sitting alone in my own home, nobody to disturb me. Close the door and tell the wife and I am doing it for half an hour. Then you can focus on the soul. When we do here samohikam also, that discipline has to be maintained. Such people have to be there. Sir, Dhyanena Atmani Pashanti Kechit Atmana. That focusing, it's all internal, spiritual. It's not external. In Dhyana means the internal focus we have to do. That is very clear. So, Anye Sankhena Yogena, Sankhya give knowledge. Now we are trying to get some knowledge of the God. Then we can understand, we have to focus on this. Firstly we have to know this, and then the Sankhya Yoga will develop. Jnanam, Sankhya Jnanam. Then third method is ki Karma Yogena Chapare. That we are all doing it. Nishkama Karma, what we are trying to do our responsibilities for the home, taking care of wife, parents and children and all that. And we are trying to do our honest job and all things. That is Karma Yoga. And we don't do harm to anybody. And we don't go for greediness. Or this is Karma Yoga. Do this Karma Yoga also, but people have to do this. And then this is the third method. First method is Dhyanena Atmani Pashanti. Second method is Sankhya Yogena. Third method is Karma Yoga. Karma Yoga, 99% people are doing it. 99.9% are doing it. 0.005 is Sankhya Yoga, 0.0005 is Dhyana Yoga. So, but we have to gradually go into the first one. So then how the God, what to focus is, how to know the God. Anaditvat Nirgunatvat Paramatma I am Avyayaha Sharirasthapi Kaunteya Na Karoti Na Lipyate. He says that I am Avyaya, I am inexpendable, I am inexpendable, I am Avyaya, I cannot be reduced. So for example, you or me, we run for half an hour or 1 hour, we get exhausted, we get tired, we may have to wait for 5-10 minutes, or we may have to take food to recharge, or you may have to drink milk or energy drink to get energy back. or you may have to sleep for 1 or 2 hours or 5 hours to get refreshed. But Paramatma, I am Avyayaha. He doesn't get exhausted. He fights with the demons for 1 year, 2 years, 10 years, 20 years, 1,000 years. He fights. He doesn't get exhausted. That is, and Lord Rama, Lord Krishna, when he was in Ramavtaram, your name is Raghuraman. So Ramavtaram, then this Jambavan was there, one of his very king, their king, who helped Rama to fight against the Ravan. And so he is a devotee of Ram. But then in Krishna Avataram, same Lord has taken rebirth as Krishna Avataram. And he has to search for the Samantaka money and he has to enter into the cave. I went to the Jambavan cave in Gujarat. It is there near Porbandar or something. So the Jambavan, those days in the thousands of this Yuga and the previous Yuga actually, they are in Kali Yuga. And before this Dwapara Yuga was over. Before that Treta Yuga it happened. I'm telling you that ancient story, many thousands of years ago. So when Krishna enters, then Jambavan was a very, very mighty king. Even Ravan could not defeat him. So such a king that Krishna had to fight with him for 28 days and 28 nights. 28 days and 28 lagatar they had to fight. That means Avyayaha. After 28 days and 28 nights, night also they are fighting intense, no rest. If they take rest, they'll come and beat. So Avyayaha, he gets tired. Who? Jambavan. Then he realizes, sir, I am getting tired. This power is there only with the Lord Rama. And now he is nothing but nobody, no one else but Rama only. So sir, then he realizes and he gives up and he prays to God. He surrenders himself, sir, please excuse me, I made a mistake. You are Lord Rama himself. You take this Samantaka money. You take my daughter also, my beautiful daughter, as my gift to you, sir, my prasadam to you. Please accept it. So Lord Krishna takes it up and he comes back because he has to prove himself as innocent. So Avyayaha, Lord is never tired. Paramatma is never. Then that beauty, another beauty in this is Sharirasthapi Kaunteya na karoti na lipit. Such God, Anaditvat, Nirgunatvat, no gunas are there. Paramatma am Avyayaha, the tireless God. Sharirasthapi Kaunteya. See, he is there in everybody's body, your body, my body, he is there. Sharirasthapi Kaunteya na karoti na lipite. He doesn't do anything or he doesn't get attached. Like I don't do any harm to any lady or anybody. कि ऐसा ना करो थी ना लिप्यते किसी को ऐसे कोई गलत करेंगे तो लिप्यते means कि we get entangled, whether it is anything. You get married, you get entangled to your wife and do something. We don't get married and you do something else. So we na karoti na lipyate. He doesn't do anything, but we do karoti and lipyate. We are doing karoti and lipyate. He doesn't na karoti na lipyate. Because very beautiful sloka. Anaditvat nirgunatvat paramatma am avyayaha na karoti na lipyate. This is chapter 13 we are doing. The similar thing is in chapter 5. After doing this, we'll go to that. Na karoti na lipyate. Yadha sarvagatam saukshmyat akasham na uprapyate. This sky. Sky is there, no? Throughout it is there. But like this sky, sarvatra avastito dehe tada atmana upalapyate. Though the sky is there everywhere, it doesn't get involved. The sky you can't catch it. Similarly, the God is there. Sarvatra avastite dehe. He is there in the whole body, throughout. Your body and my body, in everybody's body. Sarvatra avastite dehe. Tada atmana upalapyate. Though it is there, it doesn't get attached. Now upalapyate. No getting attached and no getting entangled. Okay, sir? So that kind of a thing. Yada prakashiti loka prakashiti ekaha krusnam lokam vimoravi, like sun god. Sun is giving shining to the whole world, like that. Kshetram kshetritada krusnam prakashiti partha. Kshetram, this whole body, the kshetri is only, the God power only, because of God power only we are awake. All the things, awake, 3 states of life. Awaken, dream state and deep sleep state. Swapna, Jagruti and Shushupti. All 3 states, Prakashati Bharata. This soul is only making us free. Today now we are awake. We are listening to Bhagavad Gita Satsangam. soul is making us to do it. Because of that power only we are doing it. Like that. Yes, sir. Now, Kshetra Kshetrajno eva antaram jnana chaksha. This is the eye of knowledge. What we are discussing is the eye of knowledge. Once we realize this, Bhuta Prakriti Moksha, from this material entanglement, Chaye Vidu Yadke Param. So we get the secret to get out of this Bhuta Prakriti Moksha. So we don't get bodies, we don't get rebirth, we don't get entangled by the Prakriti Mata. She cannot catch us. She cannot catch God. That is the beauty. Like earth cannot touch this sky, space. Similarly, the Mata Parvati cannot touch Shiva, though she is there in front of him. Mata Lakshmi cannot touch Vishnu. Maybe she cannot make him entangled, though she is there with him. Similarly, the Prakriti Mata, though everywhere she is there, but Bhuta Prakriti Moksham, it will happen to us. Jnana Chakshuha. So similarly thing is in chapter 5 also, Na Karoti Na Lipyate, chapter 5, 14 to 17, this is again a soul property, soul principles, soul property. Soul means the Atma properties. Na Kartrutvam, Na Karmani, Na Karma Vara Sanyogam, Lokasya Sruti Prabhu, Svabhavastu Pravadaya. The soul, the God, like we do many things in us. I do many things now. We drive the car and go to shop. I go to bank now. I go to the. I'm planning to buy a new car and go to showroom and talk to the people and na kartrutvam, na karmani, na karmaphala sanyogam. So I wanted to donate 1,000 rupees to somebody. You call it karma and nishkam karma. And kartrutvam means I am doing it. I am donating 1,000 rupees. I am donating 1 lakh rupees. That kartrutvam, I am donating this. That feeling. Na kartrutvam, na karmani, na karmaphala sanyogam. That whatever is a good or bad, it originates. If you do good job, it will get punyam. Karmaphala sanyogam. If you do bad job, if I do bad job, it will give a bad result. Na kartrutvam, na karmani, na karmaphala sanyogam. Lokasya Sruti Prabhu. He doesn't create, doesn't say anything here. Svabhavastu Pravadaya. We do our own. And we say, God, what is happening to me? We do everything. God, what is happening to me? I got stuck up with that guy. My God, what a bad man he is. I unnecessarily got entangled with him. He entangled. God, what is this? So God doesn't do anything. Lokasya Sruti Prabhu. Svabhavastu Pravadaya. Our own behavior, our own behavior. And now that take Kasachit Papam, Nacheva Sukrutam Vibhu, Ajnana Aurtham Yanam Kena Muhindu. God doesn't want it, either Papam or Punyam. If I say I do this temple construction, I do temple construction, I do this idol, I do this pujas, it's happening all over. I do Annadanam, I do this 1,000 people daily, 10,000 people, I do Annadanam, I'm spending all the money for this Annadanam, I'm removing the hungry of all people and Annadanam, I'm doing it. That punyam. He says, Nadate Kasachit Papam, Nacheva Sukrutim Vibhu. He doesn't want anything. Or I kill this fellow, I slam that fellow, I slap this fellow, I abuse this fellow. I'm the boss here. Papam. I will make nobody to read Bhagavad Gita here. I'll ensure that no Bhagavad Gita, I'll ban it. The Papam. Nadate Kasachit Papam. Nacheva Sukrutim Vibhu. And it's also, like I said, I do Annadanam, I do construction of temples and all that. Now the take Asajit Papam, Nacheva Sukrutam Vibhu, Ajnanena Aurtham Yanam Tena Mukhendra. So all ignorance, our knowledge is covered by ignorance. That Kama Esha, Krodha Esha, Rajoguna Samudbhava, Ajnanam. That is why Tena Mukhendra. That's why we get attached and entangled. And so that is the thing. There again Jnana Chaksha, knowledge of the eye of the knowledge. And jnana ena tu tad ajnanam esham nashitam atmanaha. So this is atma jnanena tu tad ajnanam esham nashitam. What we are discussing is the knowledge of the self. With this knowledge of self, we destroy that ignorance. Tesham, to such people, Adityavat jnanam prakashit tattvam. The Adityavat, like sun is illuminating the whole world. Like that Adityavad, this knowledge which we are discussing, Prakashiti Tatparaha, this will illuminate us to the God. It will happen. That is why people are doing Shivani like you. They are also like it. Vishwamitra was like you and me. He had seen God and Goddess Durga also. He had seen Lord Shiva. He had seen Vasishtha Mahamuni had seen Lord Rama and Vishnu and Brahma and all that. And there are many munis are there. So such people have seen God is God. So Jnanam Prakash, but we can also see God. Provided we follow this. We don't follow. If I don't try to come to meet you, how can I meet you? We have to try to sit and meditate and pray God. It will happen. So if I talk to you, I coordinate with you, then only we can meet. If I don't coordinate with you, talk to you, how can we meet? Similarly, this is God. If it is between the human beings, so what about the God? Avyaktam, avyayam. So sir, tad buddhaya, tad atma, tad nishtha, tad parayanaha, gacchanta apanora vrutim jnana nidhi. This is ultimately what we have to do is, when we are further getting old and all that, then we need to quietly sit that buddhaya, that mind we have to make it up. That atmana, that prayer we have to think in the meditation, tannishtha, that we have to have dedication, regularity, consistency, tat parayana. Let us try for that, strive for that. Gacchanta apanara vritim, apanara, we don't have to come back. It is there. That power is there to you and to me and to everyone. Apanara vritim, gacchanta apanara vritim. No, we don't come back. We don't return. That power is there with us, but we don't use it. We are not using it. Jnana nirdhuta kalmasha. How that jnana, that kalmasham, it removes. Then only it will happen. Now, a lot of people say कि मैं आधा घंटा में बैठा हूँ, एक दिन में बैठा हूँ, अभी कोई आके 5 मिनट में आके तो ये मेरे को गॉड रिलेशन करा दो. आई एम वेरी बिजी, आई एम वेरी जल्दी कराओ गॉड रिलीजन, सेल्फ रिलीजन जल्दी कराओ. So it doesn't happen like that. He is dictating terms to the soul. Like say you are a manager or you are a senior manager, you are a DGM or something, you are a GM. In office I straight away come and ask some receptionist or somebody, call your GM immediately, make him to meet me. So it's not that possible, no. It is the GM, so she has to go and tell the GM, and then the GM has to say agree. If he is busy, if you are busy in some other work, he said no, I am right now focusing on it. I'm not going on. Tell him to wait. If by waiting maybe for 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, it can be. Not today, tomorrow, you may say. And not tomorrow, after 1 week. So, but they say no. 5-10 minutes में आगे सर self relation करा दो. क्या? Where is God? What are you talking? You are telling, if you are telling truth, जल्दी कराओ फटाफट. So it doesn't happen, sir. So that is the thing. So this is what, and sir, so we have covered this much, and we'll go further the self-realization part of it. A prayer to God. Prayer to God only we are focusing on that, and today is a very pious day. So sir, before I go to prayer to God, there are a lot of things to say, but anyway, I'll firstly cover the prayer. Initial prayer, very important prayer. This bhavam we have to develop it. As I told you, we are busy with material world only. Sattva, Rajas, Tamu, Gunas are there. They don't allow us to pray to God. A lot of people, thousands of people are here. Why are they not coming and sitting with satsang? Sattva, Rajas, Tamu, Gunas, Rajo Gunam, Tamu Gunam are not allowing them. We have come here, luckily for us, the Sattva Gunam has dominated the Rajo Gunam and Tamu Gunam. He said, no, you will go and attend 1 hour satsang of Bhagavad Gita, and it is permitted, and the Rajo Gunam and Tamu Gunam are subsided. Sattva Gunam is there. So like that, Ajo Apisan Avyayatma, Bhutanam Ishvaro Apisan, Prakrutim Swam Adhishtaya, Sambhavami Atma. Chapter 4, mentioned in 6 sloka. Ajo Apisan, Ajo, I don't have death and I don't have birth. Aja. I don't have birth, I don't have death. It's not like you, I have got birth and I have got death. Yes, sir. You have got birth, you have got death. But God is Aja Apisan, Avyayatma. As we discussed, Avyayatma is not expendable. I am expendable, you are expendable. We get exhausted. And somebody shoots us, we die. In borders, the soldier, it happens like that. So अव्यय आत्मा, but गॉड को कोई शूट करते रहो कुछ जो मर्जी कर लो, है ना? तो नैनम छिन्नन्ति सहस्राणि नैनम दहति पावका न चैनम क्लेदयति आपा न शोषयति मार्ग अच्छेद्यो मदाह्यो क्लेद्यो अशोच्य एव नित्य सर्वगत स्थानु अजलः एंड सनातन. So weapons can't kill him. Like we make Mirage 2000 this thing, just for the Falcon aircraft, you know. So a lot of things they destroy. God, they cannot destroy the soul. They can destroy anything physical. So Ajo Apsan Avyaya Atma, Bhutanam Ishwaram, he is Ishwar. For you and for me also Ishwar. For everybody. To all bhutas, all animals, living, non-living, this tree. But this tree also is Ishwar. For you also he is Ishwar to you. He is Ishwar to me also, sir. He is our God. And we have to pray him. He will bless us. He will take care of us. He said in chapter 9, in 22 and 4, he said, Ananyas Chintayanto, Mam Yejana Pajupasate, Yesham Nityabhyutanam, Yogakshema Mohani. Ananyas Chintayanto, Mam Yejana Pajupasate. Stop thinking any other thing. My wife, my son, my daughter, my business. Ananyas Chintayanto, Mam Yejana Pajupasate. You are thinking all those things. Mam Yejana Pajupasate. Whosoever worships them, like we are sitting here and praying here. This is called Ananyas Chintayanto, Mam Yejana Pajupasate. Kesham, to such people, Nityabhi Yuktanam, like we are regularly following. Yogakshemu Vahamam, Yogam and Kshemam. Both he will, Vahamiham, he will ensure this. He will ensure Yogam and Kshemam. Today I am likely to going to now the bank to get the loan sanction. Loan already sanctioned, I have to sign it. They sanctioned some 13 odd lakhs rupees loan, car loan. Yoga Kshemam. Yogam, he is getting, giving that, granting that money. At this age, I am getting 13 lakhs loan sanction. Just like that. He is giving, God is giving. Kshemam. And once it is card, I purchase car, that Kshemam I maintain myself. Yoga Kshemam Vahamyaham. He takes responsibility. You just have to pray to God, that's all. And we deserve it, he gets it. So Ajo Apsan Avyaya Atma, Bhutanam Ishwara Apsan, Prakrutim Swam Adhisthaya Sambhavam Atma. Like say you and me are born by our karmas. Sattva Gunam, Raja Gunam, Tamo Gunam, and good deeds, bad deeds, Nishkam Karma, Sakama Karma, like that all that thing, no? And we do some papam also, we do punyam also. So all these things are there. Because of that, our body is getting formed like this. And maybe in the next life, we may become devatas. You will never be surprised. You may go to Indraloka, Swargaloka, you go to Vaikuntham also. Like that you may go, because nobody can stop it based on our deeds now. So, but for him, Prakrutim Swam Adhisthaya Sambhavam Atmaya. He himself creates his own, like say for example, he has to be born as Rama. He himself was created, Prakrutim Swam Adhisthaya, his own divine mother nature. He instructs her, because रावण ने वर मांगा था कि परमात्मा अगर मुझे कोई मारेगा तो ब्रह्मदेव से वर मांगता है, मुझे कोई somebody kills me, he has to kill me. No devata can kill me, no danavas can kill me, no animals can kill me, no weapons can kill me, nothing can kill me. Only man, human being, ordinary, they eat it up, they kill and eat. Breakfast में lunch में वो बना करके काट के ऋषि मुनि को भी काट लेते हैं, दूसरी पत्नी दूसरी पुत्री को लेके जाते हैं शादी कर लेके, तो ऋषि को मांस काट के खा जाते हैं, मांस मटन मीट. So human beings are least like grass feeder. Only he can kill. Human being can kill. So Lord Vishnu has to Prakrutim Swam Adhisthaya Sambhavami Atmamaya. So accordingly his material nature has to create such a form where he can kill the Ravan. Then he is born as a human being, because only human being can kill Ravan. So that Ravan was 50,000, 60,000 years. His age, no? Ram was 35, 35 years of age at that time when the Ram Ravan battle took place. And Sita Maya is 30 year, 25 year. ठीक है sir? And Ram was little elder to her. So this is nothing. Bacha, there thousands of years he lived already. He himself did 10,000 years of worship, tapas to Shiva. Each 1,000 years he used to cut his one head. 10 heads is 10,000 years. These people are 35 years, 25 years old, and that's what it is. So where is the thing? So Sambhavama, the mother nature has to create such a body of Ram, and Ram was born. So Sambhavama, Sri Krishna also like that. Sri Krishna was also born like that. So he takes his own. Like you and me, we cannot. You cannot tell me. I tell the God or Mother Nature, or I cannot tell the Mother Nature कि मेरे को ऐसा डायमंड टाइप का बॉडी बना दो. पूरा no anybody hits me, I don't get hurt at all. But if I hit somebody, he should die. Make me strong, and I should never get heart attack. I should be always have this thing as a body बना दो. तो नहीं बनता. कैसे भी बनेंगे. But God can create himself. He instructs. Prakriti Swami this time, because he is for the world protection. It's not for his protection. Ravan was making so many problems, creating problems. Indra also he is threatening, and he made the Indra to run away. And Kubera also, the Shiva Bhakta, he has made run away, and then the Lanka, Sri Lanka he captured. Sri Lanka is the Kubera's capital. So he said, Sone ki Lanka, Kuber. So he kicked him out. Both Arthur left him. His father told. Both the fathers, both are same sons of the same father, though two different mothers. So he says मैं उसके कहता हूँ उसने पूछा, दूसरे बेटे ने पूछा बाप से, कुबेर ने पूछा क्या करना बाप पिताजी बताओ. मेरा भाई आके हमको अटैक कर रहा है, मार रहा है. भाई फाइट नहीं करना चाहिए. इसलिए बेटा छोड़ के चले जाओ. तो शिव जी के वहाँ पे चले जाओ, कैलाश के पास चले जाओ, अलकापुरी. तो छोड़ देते हो. फादर कुड नॉट सॉल्व. तो वहाँ चला जाता है. वहाँ पे भी अटैक करता है. ये वहाँ पे भी नहीं छोड़ता. बाद में पहले लंका आपको मैं किया, उसके बाद फिर वहाँ मैं तेरे को वहाँ पे भी नहीं छोड़ दूँगा. तो पॉइंट इज दिस कि रावण वाज लाइक दैट. तो भगवान उसके लिए ऐसा करना पड़ा, अवतार लेते हैं. बट आप और हम ऐसा नहीं है. आप और हम प्रकृति माता के अधीन में हैं. अभी माता जी जैसा भी नहीं बेटा केशवराव, तुमने ये अच्छा काम किया है यार, तू भगवद गीता पढ़ रहा है तो अच्छा है, ठीक है, तेरे को अच्छा बना दूंगा, अच्छा आदमी बना दूंगा, अच्छा घर में पैदा कर दूंगा, तुम अच्छा घर में पैदा होगा, तुम सब ठीक रहेगा. या तुम डेवलप में चला जाएगा यार, ये दुनिया छोड़ दे, वहाँ रहो तो 1 लाख साल 2 लाख साल वहाँ लाखों में चलता है. 1 करोड़ साल वहाँ रहो, तो यहाँ तो 100 ईयर्स का है. तो ऐसा वो कर सकते हैं, बट उनके हाथ में है. तो ठीक है सर. तो फिर हम लोगों का लाइफ पूरा उनके हाथ में है. दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव टू प्रे गॉड. देन ओनली वी कैन हैव. दैट पीपल आर नॉट प्रेइंग, दे आर फूल्स, मूढ़ा, नराधमास. क्लियरली सेज गॉड, मां ना प्रपद्यन्ते मूढ़ा नराधमा. He tells only मूढ़ास, foolish people, you know, foolish, totally foolish, stupid, idiot, we say, na. When in the office, when you get angry on your junior or somebody, he does mistakes and all that, he does laws and all, you will call him, na, you idiot, you stupid, you rascal, you scoundrel, you mindless fellow, you senseless fellow. We tell him, na, isn't it? And, so that kind of a thing, naradhamas, such muda, naradhama, naradhama. And the humans, they are the least kind of people, least animal type, but they are human beings. Naradhamas, they na prapadyante, they don't pray. ये सब लोग करके ऐसा देख के चलते हैं. तो naradhamas actually, they think themselves great. Praying God is the highest thing for us, sir, because He gave us life and birth and this position. अब ये सब हम लोग थोड़ी पैदा होते ही at the time birth itself only did I never imagined I'll become a colonel in the army. You never imagined you will become a management professional, and so it happened like that gradually. God has given us that opportunity chance. There are so many people who have died by this time also. So God is everything, sir. Mudha naradhama naprapadyanti. So we should not get into that category. Once we know through Bhagavad Gita, we are coming to know. Firstly, what we don't come to know. Secondly, through Jnana Chaksha, we are coming to know because of the Bhagavad Gita Satsangam. Then we should follow this. Bhagavad Gita is as good as Mata Ganga. ये गंगा रिवर वो पानी जल पे सर पे डालने पे सारे पाप धुलते हैं, ऐसे भगवद गीता उससे भी पयस है. Now we are listening whatever Bhagavad Gita, it is clearing out. Since let me tell you this, otherwise I am not that very pious fellow. But then because of this Bhagavad Gita Satsangam, I am becoming pious. And everybody is surprised in my whole family and all my relatives. And, yes, so we never expected that fellow to be so polite and gentle. But I was never polite and never gentle. But then, so sir, Bhoktaram Yajna Tapasam. All Yajna Tapasam, he is the Bhokta. Like so some food is given to you, some laddus and halwa, jalebi, all these things, kaja, all this food and payasam and paramanam and then pulihora, daddojram, all these things are given to you, We eat, na sir. Bhoktam, I am enjoying this. Bhoktaram Yagitam. So similarly, God enjoys all this. Now we are discussing this Bhagavad Gita. He is a Bhoktaram Yajna Tapasam, Tapas. Sarvaloka Maheshwaram. All three lokas at the same time is not capable. Say you are, say for example, you are a state head. Say you are DGP, Director General of Police of the state. You are only one person, but then you control the whole state under your control, your administrative control. At any time you can speak to any district, any SP, any collector. You can pass orders, for any investigation, for anything, to arrest anybody or to release anybody. You have the power, no? Similarly, Sarvaloka Maheshwaram. He says he is Sarvaloka Maheshwaram. He is the Maheshwaram. All lokas, he is the Maheshwaram. He is the God of everything. If he tells anybody here, and his orders will be implemented. That kind of a thing. Sukhrudam Sarvabhutanam. He is friendly to all also. He does not have any ego. Anahankaraha, Nirahankaraha. It's not that he is a Sarvaloka Maheshwaram. He can do anything to anybody. He will behave as he likes. But it's not that. Sukhrudam Sarvabhutanam. Sukhrudam Sarvabhutanam means, sorry for that. Sukhrudam Sarvabhutanam means friendly to all people. Anybody, but friendly. He doesn't have any bias. Provided if I ask for any non-harming thing to others, he will grant it. But if I want to harm anything to others, he will not like it. He'll say, no, it's not correct. But then if they say, no, मेरे को ये वरदान दे दो, भस्मासुर ने बोला था, मैं किसी भी सर पे हाथ रखूंगा तो वो भस्म हो जाए. No, ऐसा किस लिए है कि वो नहीं, मेरे को वो वर चाहिए. तो मैं तपस के साथ तो मैं भोक्तारम यज्ञ तपसा. If you are satisfied with my tapas, you give me that food. If I put my hand, anybody, that. So, नहीं बेटा वो नहीं अच्छा है, नहीं मेरे को चाहिए, ठीक है ले लो. So, सुकृतम सर्वभूतानां, ज्ञात्वा माम शांतिं रुचति.
Again, you put it on him.
He wanted to test it back. The demon Mudha Naradhama, you Rakshasadhama. So, only one. He tried to put and he started running away because it's his word, it will be destroyed. Even God himself will be destroyed. The person who cannot be destroyed, he will be destroyed. That kind of. So he starts running away and he approaches Lord Vishnu. He says, you are the protector. He said, why should I protect you? You are the protection. Sthiti, Srishti Sthiti Layam. And Layam ko hi wo dhara raha. So Lord Vishnu has to become Mohini Avatar. So point here is but the foolish one, he started chasing Shiva. Thereafter he went up to Kailasam also. But in between, this fellow could have seen so many people. And he would have tried it. चलो शिवा को छोड़ देते हैं, नहीं नहीं मैं तुमको ही मैं ट्राई करता हूँ, तुमने जो सच दिया झूठ दिया. And ultimately Mogini madam has to come, and with her beautiful charming smile, and he gets attracted to her, and उसके बाद तो ऐसा ऐसा करके मैं सब कर सकता हूँ. But then she made him to play dance for many hours and days. He kept on dancing. He said you will marry me if I defeat you. Yes, I'll marry you once you defeat me. You do everything I do and then do better, then I'll marry you if I'm impressed. Okay, to impress her, he kept on doing. After some time again अव्ययम, हम सब वो भगवान अव्ययम है, हम लोग तो व्ययम, we are expendables. He doesn't know that. तो भगवान विष्णु फिर हाथ यहाँ से रखता है, वो यहाँ रखता है, फिनिश हो जाता है. ऐसा स अधिभूता अधिदैवं मां च अधियज्ञं च ये विदुः प्रयाण काले च मां विदुते युक्तचेतसा. तो स प्रयाण काले, now we are sitting and enjoying life. You are sitting, I am sitting here, I am breathing, I am enjoying, I am listening, I am talking to you Bhagavad Gita and you are listening Bhagavad Gita. We are discussing Bhagavad Gita, we are praying God, we are thinking of God. We are now enjoying life. We are in the journey period. So we are doing prayanam. But prayana kale, there is something called the time of leaving this body. This body, we are in the body. The prayana kale, when we leave this body, that is called prayana kalam, anta kalam. Now we are not in prayana kalam or anta kalam, but one doesn't know when it will come. But now, right now we are enjoying life. I go to home now, I have good breakfast and all that. You go to your home, you have breakfast. Lunch we have and all that. So we are journeying. Prayana kale is separate. Prayana is separate. Prayana kale. In this prayana kale, picha mam te vidu. Like say, he is telling us, we have to understand God in three forms. So adhibhuta, body, physical body. Your physical body is nothing but God only. So adhidaivam, inside the jivatma, you are listening, the soul carrying, we are sitting, talking, listening. Adhidaivam. Both are God. Adhibhutam, adhidaivam, body and mind. And the sa adhiyajnam chahiye vidu, the spirit. Adhiyajnam chahiye vidu, mam. Mam. Sa adhibhuta adhidaivam, mam sa adhiyajnam chahiye viduhu. Vidu means to know, to learn. Prayana kale picha, mam te vidu. This we have to keep it till our last breath of life. This knowledge, we have to remember it in our life. If you remember this key, the body, my physical body, my mind and my spirit, all are God. Mam prayana kale picha mam te viduhu yukta chetasaha. That is that mind, the chetasaha, the mind, yukta, united with the God. Like we are sitting here, seeing this people tree. We are remembering the God, Yukta Chetasa. We are connected with the Lord Vishnu straight away. We are called Yukta Chetasa. Those who are not connecting like this, they take it as a normal tree. Like there are many trees. Vrikshanam Ashwata Vriksha, he said, that is Bhagavad Gita. Vrikshanam, the tree, under all kinds of trees, I am Ashwata Vriksha. So, if some people say they take it as an ordinary tree, then they are not Yukta Chetasa, they are not connected with the God. They just sit and go. Okay, sir. But this tree is the God form himself. So that we have to remember this God. So your body is also very pious one, as we have to say. So we underestimate it, we misuse it, sir. I misuse my body, my senses, my mind, and misuse it because I don't know this form of God. I misuse it. So that, but those who knows, they don't misuse it because body is adhibhutam. The adhidaivam, myself is also part of the God. So then I don't do any mistakes, I don't do any harm. So sadhiyajnam cha viduhu prayana kale picha mam te vidu yukta chetasa. So kavim puranam anishasutaram anu aniyamsam anusmaridyaha sarvasa dhataram achintya rupam adityavanam tamsa parasa. This we have seen yesterday. So that we have to param brahma param dhama pavitram paramam bhavan. Yeah, Arjuna says, Param Brahma Param Dhama, Pavitram Paramam Bhavan, Purusham Shashvatam Divyam, Adidevam Mazam Vidam. He is a Divya Purusha. He is not touched by any sense objects like touch, feel, sound. He is not affected. You and me are affected. If some person comes and touches us, we feel either happy or unhappy. We feel pleasant or unpleasant. So we feel sad or happiness. But he is not that. He is Purusham Shashvatam Divyam. Divyam Purusham. Not this materialistic nature type body. So Adidevam Ajam Vibham. He is the God of gods. Ajam again birthless and deathless Vibham. And he is the Prabhu Vibhu. He is the Prabhu, he is the Vibhu. He is the Lord, he is the Emperor, Emperor to Emperor. God to God, God of gods. He is that. We are praying him. Brahmano hi pratishtha, chapter 14, 27. Brahmano hi pratishtha ham amrutasya avyasya. Brahmano hi, Brahmana. He is present in the Brahma also. The Lord Brahma also, he is present. Because of his presence, Brahma is also functioning. Brahmano hi pratishtha aham amrutasya. Aham amrutasya. Amrutam. And there is no death to amrutam. Once you take an amrutam, even demons also become like Rahu Ketu. They have drunk. One fellow drank the amrutam and he has become two. There is no death. He become two now. One demon has become two demons. Rahu and Ketu. And they start troubling both Surya and Chandra. You guys have revealed everything. So amrutasya. Even demons are like that. Then you and me, if we can get that amrutam, then we are also alive like that. So Brahmano hi pratishtaham amrutasya avyayasya. Not expendable, inexpendable. Shashvatasya, permanent, dharmasya, sukhasya, ikantinasya, endless sukham. As an endless pleasant sukham, the God is there. So this is about it. So some names are there, although some more prayer is there. And the time is there. But then couple of things I'll just try to read it out. This is about us only. We have to think on this. Later on, whenever you have free time, you can think on this, and one day we will discuss it also. Okay. What is the word scale that is called Yukta Chetasaha? We have seen Yukta Chetasaha. Yukta, Ayukta. There are two types of categories. Yukta, Ayukta. Yukta is intelligent, good work. Ayukta is unintelligent and non-intelligent, stupid work. Ayukta. Mudhas, foolish. One is wise and the other one is foolish. Yukta Chetasaha is the one who is connected with the God also. There is another meaning also there. Yukta Chetasaha, but we can connect with the God. I can become Yukta Chetasaha. Or Ayukta Chetasaha. There are two, Yukta or Ayukta. Yukta Chetasaha, Shruti Parayana. Like I am speaking, you are listening. And you are speaking, I am listening. Shruti Parayana. So, and Avyakta Asakta Chetasa, like now we are all Avyakta, we both of us are Avyakta Asakta Chetasa. Though God is not visible to us, Avyaktam Asakta Chetasa, so still we are praying Him. You are there and we are seeing you in the form of Sri also. Avyakta Asakta Chetasa. So that is what. Next, Maya Aveshita Chetasam. Maya Aveshita Chetasam. Like so, we are Avesham. That kind of feeling we have got it. That is why we are praying, listening to Bhagavad Gita right now. Maya Aveshita Chetasam. Our minds are now absorbed in the God. Our body, our energy, our time is Avesham. They say no, Avesham don't. It's Avesham don't get so much excited or involved. So, but we are involved with the God. To me, Aveshita Chetasam. We are not talking about God only, thinking of God only. So Maya Aveshita Chetasam. One of the qualities of Bhakta, devotee. Yatha Vakkaya Manasaha. This is a very important word. Yatha Vakkaya Manasaha. This particular thing has changed my life totally. This word, which I am telling you. Yatha means controlled. Vak means speech. Kaya means body. Speech actions, body actions. Manasa, thinking. Body, mind and thinking. Yatha Vakyama, controlled. Controlled body, controlled mind, controlled speech. Yeah, this is another quality of a devotee of Lord Krishna. Yata Vakaya Manasa. Right, sir? Now, Drutyu Utsaha Samanvita. We got the Druti and Utsaham Samanvita. We came here to spend 1 hour for Bhagavad Gita. That Utsaham, that energy, that interest, that enthusiasm is there. Drutyu Utsaha Samanvita. Those people who don't have that enthusiasm, they don't come, they don't think, kya karna Bhagavad Gita. But to Dhruti Utsaham, we have to spend 1 hour. Dhruti Utsaha Samanvita. Utsaham is there. That is why we are listening and talking to Bhagavad Gita and understanding, trying to understand Bhagavad Gita. Jnana avasthat chetasa. Jnana avasthat chetasa. Our chetasam, our energy, body energy, our consciousness is now only oriented towards jnanam. Jnana avasthat chetasa. We are trying to understand Paramatma Jnanam. What is Paramatma Jnanam? What is Paramatma Swarupam? What are Paramatma qualities? So, Jnana Avastha Chetasa, that we are doing this in this. Pranayama Parayana. Once we do this Pranayama Parayana, we have to focus mostly on Pranayama, how to do it and all. Focusing. Pranayama Parayana. Then Sanyatendriya, controlled in senses. Jnana Nirdhuta, Jnanam Jnana Tattva Darshana. Such people become Tattva Darshana. And so, Kama Sankalpa Vajita, Jnanagni Dagda Karma. Whatever we do, Kama Sankalpa Varjita, because whatever we do with a purpose only. If I give, say, 1,000 rupees to somebody, I have some desire, koi naam mera bata diya, 1,000 rupees diya. If I give 10,000 rupees to somebody, that I appreciate, I expect it to so-and-so future I donate 10,000 rupees. Sankalpam. So, is there. But Kama Sankalpa Varjita. And then some of the people should appreciate and say, well done, sir, you're great, sir, you're from Dana Veera, Shura, Karna. That Kama Sankalpa Varjita, without these things we have to do. Cravings we have to do it. Jnanagni Dagda Karma. This becomes Jnanagni. But it is very difficult, but then we have to, because everybody feels wise. The moment everybody sits nicely, the moment you say, yaar, 500 rupees डालेंगे, हम सब एक एक करके या 1000 रुपीस कंट्रीब्यूट करेंगे, सब लोग थोड़ा सा यार वहाँ से खाना मंगवाएंगे, मिल करके वन भोजन करेंगे, सब मिल करके, तो लोग से no, we don't come.
Today I'm fasting. Yeah, I'm not having anything. Doctors are not having.
So, the Kama Sankalpa Vajita, Jnanagni Dagda Karma. This is what it is. Tyaktva Karmaphala Sangam. Nitya Trupta Nirashaya. Tyaktva Karmaphala Sangam. I have tried this yesterday. So I have given some 3,000 rupees to some poor person without their asking me. I was thinking for the past 1 week I should help the person. So somehow yesterday I took courage and just called and count this money, 3,000 rupees. Please take it. The other person was surprised. Why you gave me? On my own. Just take it. You are a poor person. You require money. You take it. You use it for yourself. So, Tyaktva Karma Phala Sangam. Kama Sankalpa Vajita. I have no desires. I have no thoughts. I have no expectations. So that is called, then becomes Jnanagni Dagda Karma. I tried it. It's very difficult to do. But I'm thinking for the past 1 month, yesterday I could do it. So, okay, who will leave, throw away 3,000 rupees just like that?
Correct.
And so that kind of thing. Nitya Trupta Nirashaya. Nirashi Yata Chittatma. Again we have said no. Yata Vakaya Manasaha Yata Chittatma. Controlled soul. Tyakta Sarva Parigraha. Shariram Kevalam Karma Kurvan. Vedrucha Lava Santushtu Dvandvatita Vimatsara Samasiddhavasiddham. Gata Sangasya Bhuktasya Jnana Avastha Chetasa. Yajna Yacharata Karma. Whatever work we do, we should do it like a yajna only. No, don't bother for the results. Whatever, that is another secret he is telling in our family life also. Whatever I do in my home, yajna yacharata karma. Now I am doing renovation of my house. spending a lot of money, more than already exceeded more than the budget, estimated budget. But I planned extra, 50 or 1,000 extra. So it's about up to say 1,80,000. It's 2,50,000 right now. But I'm doing it as Yajna Yacharata Karma. Once I do, I must do it fully, perfectly well. So that kind of a thing. So Yajna Yacharata Karma. Sarmugram Pravilivishya. Yata Indriya Manobuddhi Muni Moksha Parayanaha Vigatecha Bhayakroda Sada Mukti. To get rid of the Vigatecha Bhayakroda, get rid of the desire and the fear and anger. All the three things are there with us. They will always be there with us. When I have desire, fear, Vigatecha Bhayakroda. Desire I have, fear I have, and anger also I have. But these three things should not have. Vigatecha Bhayakroda. Once when I become Vigatecha Bhayakroda, when I am free from desire, when I am free from fear, when I am free from anger, then I will become mukta, released, liberated. Otherwise, no. So long as the desire is there in me, and fear is there in me, and then anger is there in me, then I will not be free. I will not be released. Somebody is asking, very good liberation, so he should become like this. But he will not be like this. So, Sada Mukta is. So, this is what it is. And sir, there is still, we have started 10 minutes late, so I think we have got 10 minutes. So, sir, we will go ahead. So, again, about the nature of God only, the prayer is there. I'll quickly, without the explanation, I'll read it out. Sir, Name Vidu Suragana Prabhu Na Maharshya, Sri Bhagavan Uvacha, Name Vidu Suragana, this is chapter 10. Name Vidu Suragana Prabhu Na Maharshya, Aham Adihi Devanam, Maharshinam Cha Sarvasaha, Yo Mam Ajam Anadim Cha Vedti Loka Maheshwaram, Asammudaha Samatyeshu, Sarva Pavai Pramuchate, Maharshya Saptapurve, Chatvaro Manvatada, Madhava Manasa Jata, Yesham Loki Ima Praja. Nita Vibhutim Yogincha, Mamayo Veti Tatvataha, Sa Avikampena Yogena, Yujitena Atha Sanchaya. Aham Sarvasa Prabhavo, Bhakta Sarvam Pravartate, Iti Matva Bhajante Ma, Buddha Bhava Samandita. Machita Madgata Prana, Bodhyanta Paraswaram, Kadayatnancha Ma, Nitya Tushyanti Ramanti. This is what we are doing right now. Machita Madgata Prana, Bodhyanta Paraswaram. Like I am telling you, reading out Bhagavad Gita, you are listening, and you are also saying some yes or no or something. Bodhyanta Parasparam. We are explaining, teaching each other, discoursing each other. Machitta, about what? Machita Madgata Prana. Our mind is there about the God only, and our energy, life energy, we are consciousness, we are spending with the knowing the God only. Machitta Madgata Prana, Bodhyanta Parasparam. Kadhayantacha Mam Nityam Tushyanti. Right now only we discuss Lord Rama and Lord Krishna. Kadhayantacha, Kadam, stories, we discussed about it. Kadhayantacha Mam Nityam Tushyanti Ramati. We are always happy with that. Tesham, to such people, like us, there are many people, crores of people in the world. So, Tesham, Satatu Yuktanam, to such always people who worship me, who pray me, think of me. Bhajatam Priti Purvakam. Dadami Buddhi Yogam, Tam Ena Mamyam. He only gives us the Buddhi Yogam. I don't get it, you don't get it. So, only when God gives us, the Buddhi Yogam will come to us. Dadami Buddhi Yogam, Tam Ena Mamyam. So, to get Buddhi Yogam, we have to pray to Him, we have to worship Him. That way, if we don't do, then it's like to pass to say, for example, I'm studying class 10th right now. To go to intermediate, I have to clear the exam. Similarly, we have to Bhajatam Priti Purvakam. I have to pray him Priti Purvakam. Then he will pass. Buddhiyogam, he will give Buddhiyogam. Tesham eva anukampardham aham ajnanidam tamaha nashayami atmavavastha jnana deepena bhashvata. So he will give us the jnana deepam in us. It's not, that means it's very clear. Jnana deepam, it will come to us by the grace of God. God. It does, everybody wants Jnana Deepam. So people say, no, I can give you 1 crore rupees, I give you 10 crore rupees, 100 crore rupees. 5 MP seat or MLA seat, they give 500 crore, like that. Many people are there, such people are there. What will they do? They got 30,000 crore rupees, so they can better pay and 500 crore and become an MP. But then Jnanadeepam is not, cannot be purchased like that. So Jnanadeepam, Teshamev Anukampartam Mahajnanatamah, Nashyami Atmavavastha, Jnanadeepena Bhasata. Ajnanam Nashyami. The ignorance is destroying us from inside. So things have to happen from inside only, sir, not externally. That's all. For Arjuna Vacha, Param Brahma Param Dhamma, Pavitra Param Bhavan, Purusham Shashvatam Divyam, Adidevam Ajam Viham, Ahutvam Rusha Sarve, Devashi Nada Tada, Asato Devalog Vyasa, Swayam Cheva Pravishim. Now, this is about him in chapter 10. And sir, if you like, we got 10 more minutes. Can we go ahead? Because very powerful prayer has come now, right now. This is chapter 11, sir. Vishwarupa Sandarshana Yogam. It's the most authentic and powerful one. I'll just, without explanation, I'll just read it out.
Yeah, yeah. And listen.
Aneka Vaktranam, Aneka Adbhuta Darshanam, Aneka Divya Abharanam, Divyan Anekodhyataidham, Divya Malyambaradharam, Divya Gandhanulepanam, Sarva Acharyamayam, Devam, Anantam, Visutomukham, Divya Surya Sahasrasya, Bhavet Yugapat Uttida, Yadibha Sadrishi Sasyat, Bhasa Tasya Mahatmanaha, Tatra Ekastam Jagat Krusnam, Pravibhaktam Anekada, Apashya Deva Devashya, Sharire, Pandava Tada. Tata Sa Vismaya Vishtho, Rushtaroma Dhananjaya, Pranamya Sirsa Devam, Krutanjali Abhashta. This is told by Sanjaya. Now Arjuna Vacha. Pashyami Devan Tavadeva Dehe, Sarvan Tada Bodha Vishesha Sanghan, Brahmanam Isham Kamalasan Astham, Rushincha Sarvan Uragancha Divyan, Aneka Bahu Udra Vaktra Netram, Pashyami Tvam Sarvato Anantarupam, Na Antam Na Madhyam Na Punah Tavadim, Pashyami Vishveshwara Vishwarupa, Kiritinam Gadinam Chakram Cha Tedurasim, Sarvato Deepti Mantam Pashyami Tvam Durniriksham Samantat, Deepta Naraka Dyutim Aprameyam, Tvam Aksharam Paramam Veditavyam, Tvam Asya Visasya Param Nidhanam, Tvam Avyaya Shashvata Dharmagopta, Sanatana Tvam Purusho Matome, Anadi Madhyantam Ananta Vidyam, Ananta Bhavum Shishishurya Netram, Pashyami Tvam Deepta Hutasha Bhaktram, Swatejasa Vishram Idam Tapantam. Rudra Aditya Vasavo Yeche Sadhya, Vishwe Ashunam Marutasha Ushma Paksha, Gandharva Yaksha Asura Siddha Sangha, Vikshante Tvam Vishmitacha Eva Sarve, Rupam Mahate Bahuvaktra Netram, Mahabaho Bahurupadam, Bahudaram Bahudanstrakralam, Drishva Loka Pravita Tadaham, Navasprutam Deeptam Aneka Varnam, Vyatanam Deepta Vishala Netram, Drishvahitvam Pravyeta Antaratma, Dhrutamna Vindami Shamancha Vishnu, Kasmat Chate Nanameran Mahatman Gariyase Brahmano Piadikatre, Ananta Devesa Jagannivasa, Tvam Aksharam Sasa Tatparam Yat, Tvam Adideva Purusha Purana, Tvam Asya Viswasya Param Nidhanam, Vetasya Vedyamcha Paramcha Dhama, Tvaya Tatam Vishwam Anantarupaha, Vayu Yamaha Agni Varna Shishanka, Prajapati Tvam Prapita Mahacha, Namo Namaste Astu Sahasra Krutva, Punacha Bhuyapi Namo Namaste, Nama Purastada Pushraste, Namostute Sarvata Eva Sarva, Ananta Vidya Amita Vikramatvam, Sarvam Samapnoshi Tatose Sarvaha, Sthane Hrushikesha Tavaprakirtya, Jagat Prakirtya Rajitecha, Rakshansa Bitani Dishodravanti, Sarve Namasyanticha Siddha Sangha. Pita Asi Lokasya, Chiracharasya, Tvamasya Pujasya Guru Gariyan, Natvasama Asya Bhyadikaha, Kuto Anyo Lokatrayapi Apratma Prabhavaha, Piteva Putrasya Sakheva Sakhu Priya Priyaresu Devotorum, Adrishya Purvam Drishito Asmi Drishwa, Bhayenacha Pravyata Manome. Maya Sri Bhagavan Vacha, मया प्रसन्नेन तवार्जुन इदं रूपं परं दर्शितम् आत्मयोगात् तेजोमयं विश्वम् अनन्तम् आद्यं यन्मे त्वदन्येन न दृष्टपूर्वं न वेदयज्ञाध्यानै न दानेन च क्रियाभिः न तपोभिग्रहे एवं रूपशक्य अहं नृलोके द्रष्टुं त्वदन्येन कुरु प्रवीरा सुदर्शनम् इदं रूपं दृष्टवानपि सुदर्शनं दृष्टवानसि यन्मम देवापि रूपस्य नित्यं दर्शनकाङ्क्षिणः सुदर्शनम this सुदर्शनम this highest thing सुदर्शनम इदं रूपं दृष्टवानसि यन्मम देवापि अस्य रूपस्य नित्यं दर्शनकाङ्क्षिणः नाहं वेदेन तपसा न दानेन न चेज्जया शक्य एवं विदो द्रष्टुं दृष्टवानसि मां यथा भक्त्या तु अनन्या शक्या अहम् एव विदो अर्जुनः ज्ञातुं द्रष्टुं च तत्त्वेन प्रवेष्टुं च परन्तपः मत्कर्मकृत् मत्परमो मद्भक्तः सङ्गवर्जितः निर्भयः सर्वभूतेषु यः स मां नेति पाण्डवः निर्मानमोहः चित्तसङ्गदोषा अध्यात्मनित्या विमुक्तकामा द्वन्द्वै विमुक्ता सुखदुःखसङ्गै गच्छन्ति मूढा पदम् अव्ययं तत् prayer is over. 3 times Omkaram. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha.
Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha.
Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu.
Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu.
Om Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.
Om Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.
Om Shanti.
Om
Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanastu. सर्वं श्री कृष्णार्पणमस्तु।